This video explores the Teaching-Research Nexus in our social work practice. Our approach to this nexus is multifold. Firstly, we're actively researching the student experience of international placements with the support of a national grant from the Office of Learning and Teaching. Secondly, we've developed partnerships with international researchers to investigate aspects of social work practice and the students' engagement in various international settings. This research informs and guides the development of student learning experiences. It began when one of our team, who had strong higher education connections in India, joined us at James Cook University. Through those connections, we started a student exchange project with the DePaul Institute of Science and Technology, a college in Kerala in the south of India. Almost simultaneously, we began an exchange with Nakhon Ratchasima Rajabhat University in Korat in Thailand, with a particular focus on community development projects. Soon after these exchanges began, we hosted students from DIST and from NRRU at JCU. This experience of a two-way exchange had an immediate and significant impact on our curriculum and on our students. Our students were learning and reflecting on all the possibilities and complexities of international social work through exchange opportunities and also through the process of welcoming visiting students to our campuses in Cairns and Townsville. We could see the exchange experiences were challenging and meaningful for students, but we also recognised the lack of embedded curriculum and evidence-based pedagogy around the experience meant that students missed the opportunity to engage in critical thinking and to reflect on important social work values of equity, sustainability, and reciprocity. We also felt some ethical disquiet about how the exchanges were experienced by our international partners as the hosts of the exchange. So we began to think of opportunities to research these ideas with our students and our colleagues, looking for ways to improve and inform our teaching practice. We connected with Queensland University of Technology, and together with our original partners, DIST and NRRU, we have been funded by the Office of Learning and Teaching to find out what makes a beneficial international student exchange experience from all different perspectives. Our research will include a range of activities, such as surveying Australian schools of social work and conducting interviews and focus groups with higher education students and staff in Australia and in the Asia Pacific. The findings of our research will be incorporated into a guide to good practice, which will provide information and resources about best practice in international student exchange teaching, and also provide ideas and support to other higher education staff involved in international student exchange. Ultimately, the students will benefit from an evidence-based curriculum and research-informed pedagogical frameworks. Our project is known as the Going Places Project. For us, it was our teaching experiences which led to the research project, and the outcomes of the research project will in turn improve our teaching and ensure students' learning from international experience is maximised. This is just one example of the Teaching-Research Nexus prominent at James Cook University.